reacting to the Beamnik drive crashes, realistic road potholes, and bumps crashes. Like what is this? Like this is like very. Oh my god! Look at that! People just okay, wait, just closer.
According to top executives for the company,
This
that
boy
company,
doing
Elon
this.
Musk's company,
He's trying to
Tesla,
overtake
announced
the.
they're jumping ship. The company's chief accounting officer and head of HR both announced their departure.
Gonna overtake the
Musk's pot-smoking appearance may not be
He
about
just
that.
went to the other side, leaving the fire.
such as Afghanistan, Medevac, and
Oh
Cambodia, and Nicaragua. We stress the urgency of action between our two countries.
See that pothole? No, it didn't even pay attention to the pothole. Like the fire truck turned and then he just crashed into the pothole. Like what? And then it just crashed hard into a car.